Welcome, students and families, to our school's presentation. We'd like to begin our presentation by acknowledging that we are on the traditional territories of the Wendat, the Haudenosaunee, and the Anishinaabe peoples, whose presence here continues to this day. We also would like to acknowledge that this is the treaty lands of the Mississaugas of the Credit, and thank them and other Indigenous peoples for sharing this land with us. We would also like to acknowledge the Chippewas of Georgina Island First Nation as our closest Indigenous community and our partners in education. Every year, we interview a selection of grade 9 students to find out about their first month at our school and learn from their experiences. The best part of these interviews is hearing what students expected to experience when they arrived at high school versus what they experienced in their first month at our school. These are all direct quotes from last year's grade 9s. We'd like to introduce our administration team. New to our school this year is our principal, Kandipan Ganeshalingam, and vice principal, Maria Luango Kasar. Raymond Fung has been a vice principal at our school for the last 3 years. Mr. Fung supports students whose last names begin with A through to L, and Mrs. Luango Kasar supports students whose last names begin with M through to Z. We value all pathways and provide rich learning experiences for students, which include French immersion, a pre-AP and AP program in the areas of math, science, and English, experiential opportunities in cooperative education, 3 specialist high skills majors in the sectors of health and wellness, business, and arts and culture, as well as OYAP and York Region Skills Challenges, to name a few. Our school supports students in their endeavor to experience leadership opportunities in many inclusive ways, such as student council, athletic council, music council, spectrum group, tech crew, World Action Council, DECA, HOSA, peer tutoring, and many more. High school presents students with the opportunity to join a variety of clubs and committees. At our school, some of our clubs include the Announcement Team, Eco Council, Black History Club, the Science Empowerment Association, French Club, Math Club, and we welcome new clubs and initiatives from our students who would like to start new clubs and committees. Many times, our school hosted a Regional Innovation, Creativity, Entrepreneurship, in short form ICE, challenge event. In this event, SHSM students connect with community partners and use a process developed by the Rotman School of Management at the University of Toronto to solve a real-world challenge. Our board provides community-connected experiential learning projects with the focus on those that promote skills and knowledge development related to technology, skilled trades, apprenticeship, and STEM. The foundation of these projects include student collaboration with teachers and community partners. Our school, between 2019 and 2020, took part in the Rise Brother Mentorship Program in partnership with the Alliance of Educators for Black Students and community partners. This initiative, under the guidance of our previous Vice Principal, Anton Scarrett, provided a program that responsibly empowered male youth to achieve individual success, develop healthy relationships, and contribute to a more just and equitable society. Another unique event organized by our school was having the wonderful opportunity to host a homecoming game with a soccer team from North Wales. Our athletic council, led by our CYW, David Tercera, invited the team who were traveling to Canada for exhibition games to play with our soccer team. This annual homecoming game is a way for students to come together, show their school spirit, and connect with the larger school community. All secondary schools have an affiliation with the Skills Ontario to participate in a variety of events. Skills Canada Ontario provides numerous instructional opportunities from kindergarten through to grade 12 to engage students with activities and resources that promote technological education, mathematical and digital literacy, and problem-solving and critical thinking skills. For all Skills Canada Ontario affiliation school entitlements, please visit www.skillsontario.com.
All elementary and secondary schools within York Region District School Board are partnered with Skills Ontario. Skills Ontario provides our students with a variety of opportunities, programs, and resources in technological education, mathematics, digital literacy, and the skilled trades. Beginning in October, students can access complimentary in-school skilled trades presentations that run throughout the year. These presentations help students in grades 7 to 12 explore careers in the skilled trades and technologies. Secondary school students can tap into their creativity and try their luck at the provincial pin and medal design contest in November. The winning designs are used as the official awards for the next year's provincial competition. In December and January, students in grades 7 to 12 have a chance to utilize critical thinking skills by competing in the cardboard boat race and video challenge. Teams of 4 have 2 hours to design and build a boat made from cardboard and duct tape, judged on its speed and weight. At the same time, teams of 2 will film and edit a promotional video of their classmates' progress in the race. Students in grades 4 through 8 will participate in the qualifying elementary robotics competition in February. Teams of 4 will construct and program an autonomous robot that is required to perform specific tasks. The top teams from this competition will move on to the York Region Skills Challenge happening the following month. Our board is proud to host the York Region Skills Challenge in March. Students from across York Region will have the opportunity to compete in one of 25 skills-based challenges. Students will showcase their skills and talents while building confidence and experience in a personal area of interest.
It's changed our way of thinking of school because we find it more exciting because there's more activities that we can do.
Another thing is like teamwork and team collaboration, because I think that's a crucial part in like working together to build the final product.
Elementary and secondary winners from the York Region Skills Challenge competition will represent York Region District School Board at the Skills Ontario competition in May. Schools have an opportunity to bring their classes to observe their peers compete and then participate in a career exploration showcase to learn more about the skilled trades and technology through interactive booths. Students in grades 7 and 8 can further explore skilled trades and technologies through career awareness workshops during the elementary competition. Additionally, students in grades 7 to 12 can participate in the Young Women's Conference. Young women will have an opportunity to engage in hands-on activities and meet female industry leaders who will discuss the rewards of their chosen career path, as well as provide advice, guidance, and inspiration. There is also a First Nations Métis and Inuit student conference taking place during the secondary provincial competition. This conference provides Indigenous youth with an opportunity to network and to learn more about skilled trades and technologies from Indigenous tradespeople and professionals.
Taking part of a skills challenge like this is something that you should feel lucky to be a part of. One word I would use to describe this experience is phenomenal.
Funding is available to schools who wish to participate in these enriching, experiential learning opportunities and competitions.